Hello, welcome to Food Place. Today I am going to show you how to make til ladoo, which is normally made during Sankranti. So for that ingredients you need 1 cup of sesame seeds, tal or til, and 1 cup of jaggery or gur, and 1 tablespoon of ghee and 2 teaspoon of cardamom. Now let me add half cup of water to make the syrup. So let me show you how to go about. First, roast till now it has been roasted. Now we have to make the syrup. For syrup, you need 1 cup of jaggery, and in that you have to put half cup of water. And you have to make the syrup. You have to roast it in medium flame and continuously go on stirring so that it doesn't get burned. Now you can see the color has changed and it has been done. Now switch off the gas. Now you can see it has become thick, and when you will do this test, you put few drops in chilled water and you can see that you can make a round ball of it. That means this is the way it has turned. You can make a round ball from this. That means this syrup is ready. Now remove from the gas and add into it sesame seeds and mix it well. Now you can see we are making this jaggery. You have to cook it till it gets crystallized when you put it in chilled water. Still we have to cook it. This is the way it will look. And also add cardamom powder to it. This is the way. Mix it well. Add little ghee to it and keep little for greasing your hands while making ladoos. You can see after adding to it ghee, it has turned shiny. It has added glaze to your mixture. Now you can see you can easily handle. It has cooled down a bit. So grease your hands and form medium size balls, rounds from this. So this is how you make til ladoos, which are usually made during Sankranti. So it is so easy to make and good for health during winter season. So now you can see as it gets cold, it starts settling. But don't worry, if you put little pressure, it will get the shape of ladoos. So now you can see here at the end it has become cold. It has cooled down, but still I am able to make ladoos from it. Grease your hand and with little pressure you can make. So now you can see that it has turned very soft also. It's not very hard. You can see it's not the way sometimes if you cook, but make sure that jaggery is cooked properly. So it is very easy to make and very few ingredients are required. Thank you for watching this video. If you like it, please like it and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.